at the beef streets. Yeah.
Look at you. Look at you. How you doing, Mama?
Marinating slowly. Okay. So we've got another half an hour?
Okay. Every 10 minutes you have to turn the meat. But now I'm gonna just let it cook by itself.
Alright. It's coming along now.
Yeah, slow cooking. You know, I don't wanna.
Slow cook.
Yeah, take my time.
Slow cooked beef. Wow. Slow cooked beef. Very good. See the seasons coming on. Marination. You say another half an hour?
Yeah, like no, we have like an hour also because I don't wanna really burn it. I just wanna make it sure it looks good, like professional wise, you know. Everything comes out good, you know. You see how it looks? Maybe there's no burn, no nothing, you know. So what you do, you open, okay? And when you open, you let the what?
The air go in, okay.
Close everything. Then after like maybe 5 minutes, you close it again.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is this at the moment? Medium?
Now, it's almost getting there though. Yeah. When you look at like this one now. Like this one, you can see. This one, it's for some people it's good to go.
Oh wow! Okay.
But for some people, he said he wants well done.
Some people, white people.
Yeah, white people. Yeah. You can see like this piece here when you see. But yeah. You see?
Okay.
So
wow. That's medium. That's medium rare. Medium rare. That's got another 15-20 minutes.
You see?
This one's rare.
Good, yeah.
It's gonna be over well done.
Yeah. So you see?
Okay.
Yeah. You see? Look. Look.
Wow.
You see? So yeah. Just give it another 20 minutes. Okay. Then we go to the chicken. Yeah.
How to enable skewers? Nyama kubuti. Nyama table to all along.
That one doesn't take too long. So after we have some more beef though. I put on the side, then I put the chicken.
We're going to bring them. Manya talent cheese when grilling and cause it no and choose often. Then I see manya alumna phone I controlling.
Yeah, controlling the heat. You see now the heat you have is very moderate.
Yeah.
You can't burn nothing.
Just picano.
Okay, yeah, everything comes out real good. You see? Yeah, perfect. Very nice.
London they have portable grill. Never seen a grill higher than before.
Yes. So
Texan barbecue style, huh?
yeah, Texas. Yeah.
Texas. Everything in Texas is big.
Yeah.
How have you been?
I've been good. Yeah, we are getting there. And then after this, we're gonna go to the chicken part. Yeah.
And the chicken, that's gonna take it's gonna be cooked a lot quicker, right?
Yeah, but at the same time, you have to be careful. The chicken has to be well done. If it's not well done, it affects some people's.
Yeah, you get
stomach.
salmonella, diarrhea.
So
Okay.
we make sure everything is well done. Yes,
All right, chef. So here we are.
Yeah.
End product.
Yeah.
That looks very good.
Oh yeah, this is we call beef, Texas beef, Texas rib. You see? Yeah, it's ready to go. You see?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. You see?
Wow.
Yeah.
What would you eat this with? Barbecue sauce? What would you eat this? Barbecue sauce?
I mean, for me, I'll prefer if I have a salad on the side. it can taste real good. Yeah, beef and the salad, they go along. Yeah, very much. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let me get you the accent first before I put it.
What's the salt?
Yeah, sea salt. It's like
Sea
accent.
salt. Okay, accent.
So I don't want to use the salt like salt. I'm going to see. Okay. You want to bring another? Yes, sir. Okay, that one is ready.
And here we are. This is Texas style beef.
Yeah. This is the real thing.
It's the real deal.
You know, everything in Texas is big.
The food is big. The portions are big.
Everything's big.
The
in
barbecues
Texas.
are big.
Everything. Okay. So now I'm going to the second phase. Yes. You okay? Okay. All right. Welcome. You don't want to risk, you know? Yeah. That is the real.
So you're gonna cook the chicken now or more beef?
We are going to the next phase. It's gonna be side chicken and side beef. Yeah. Let him come when he gets to.
Alright.
Now I have to close this. Because I just want the more kind of.
Perfect. Chicken, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got wings and fries here. It's been marinated. Okay. There we go. Got a beef steak here and we've got chicken.
Put more chicken there.
And the chef here, barbecue chef. Texan style. Okay, so here we are. This is the barbecue now, as you can see. We've got the chicken here, we've got the beef steaks here. Look at it, coming along nicely. Here we are, we've got the wings. This is the before. This is the process. And I'm going to show you the after effects as well. So how long does it take for the chicken to cook?
Just give it like an hour or so before it gets ready. Yeah. An hour.
As you can see, it's an open grill. Look at this. Woo. Got beautiful weather out today as well. Clear skies.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, close it up now, let it cook. Look at this grill. This is actually a proper barbecue grill here in Texas. Bring the chicken and beef slabs. Oh. Absolutely beautiful, man. You can actually smell the chicken variation and see it being cooked on open grill.